Looking for a safe and simple way to grow your money without losing your sleep? In this video, I'll show you how Treasury Bill can help you invest with confidence, even if you are just starting your financial journey. If you're meeting me for the first time, my name is Larry, a finance and business coach. And for the past 1 decade, I have immersed myself in the field of finance and money through personal research. And I've discovered that Treasury Bill is one of the smart ways that the rich uses to grow their money. Now, just imagine lending money to the government and getting it back with interest in a chosen tenure, usually between 91 to 364 days. Now, there is no stress, no market crashes, and no scammer. That's simply what Treasury Bill is all about. And it's one major way through which the smart investors use to grow their money. In more detailed term, Treasury Bills, or as popularly called T-bills, is a short-term debt instrument issued by the Nigerian government through the Central Bank of Nigeria. Why? To raise funds for public projects. When you invest in T-bills, you are basically lending to the government in a fixed period, usually 91 days, 182 days, or 364 days. Now, the question is, why do smart investors choose this Treasury Bill? Before going into that detail, please, if you are getting any value from this video, do well to hit the subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. It means a lot to us, and tell the algorithm to put this video to more people. Thank you so much for doing that. And also hit the notification bell so you don't have to miss any of our video. Thank you. Back to the video. The number one reason why smart investor chooses Treasury Bill is because it's safe and secure and is backed by the Nigerian government. At least you can be rest assured that the Nigerian government will not pack up and the CBN will not just close overnight just because of your investment. So your money invested in Treasury Bill is backed by the integrity of the Nigerian government. The number two reason why smart investor chooses Treasury Bill is because of fixed return. You know what you are going to earn from day one. Now, if you are investing your money and you know what you are expecting, it helps you to plan as a smart investor. For example, you are investing 1 million for a 6 months tenure. You know that at the end of the tenure, you are getting your money with the accrued interest, usually 17 to 20%. So smart investors chooses Treasury Bill because of fixed return and expectation. The number three reason why smart investors chooses Treasury Bill is because it's short term. You get your money back in few months. Now, there are very many people who have their money lying idle in the bank for the past 3 months, for the past 6 months, and for the past 1 year. Now, if you have access to this information, you can put your money in Treasury Bill and you are sure of 17% return within that short period. That's why this information is so vital. You can explore the opportunity in Treasury Bill. It's short term and it will help you to grow your money. The number four reason why smart investor chooses Treasury Bill is because it has zero market volatility. No daily price swing like stock. Especially if you are a low risk investor, you have to consider Treasury Bill because you can invest in Treasury Bill and go to sleep. There is no market volatility. That's another reason why it's being considered. Now, someone may want to ask, how do Treasury Bill actually work? Now, in Treasury Bill, you don't earn interest the normal way. Instead, TB is sold at a discount. Now, let me explain. For example, if a 1 year Treasury Bill is 1 million naira and you want to buy, that can be sold to you at a 20% discount, meaning you could be buying a 1 million naira Treasury Bill at 800,000, and at the end of the tenure, you are getting back your 1 million, which simply means you have made 200,000 as profit, which is paid to you upfront. Now, if you are new and just trying to start investing, or you are just starting your financial journey, you can give Treasury Bill consideration because it's low risk and it's going to give you peace. Now, how do you get started? Number one way to get started, just walk up to your bank, Zenith Bank, GT, Access, any of your bank, and tell them I want to buy T-bills. And with as low as 100,000, you can start your Treasury Bill investment in any of these banks. Though that is what we call primary market and secondary market. The primary market is when you are buying directly from the CBN through bidding. That's when you are spending up to 50 million and above. That's primary market. But secondary market is when you are buying below 50 million, and you can also buy from any of those banks. And again, you can also buy from licensed stockbroker or investment platform. There are so many of them. I personally use this one here, Bamboo. If you want to sign up with them, my link is on the description, or you can also download direct from Play Store. Or if you are a big investor, you can buy directly from the primary market, that is buying from the CBN, which means you are investing 50 million and above. But if you are a beginner, there are so many apps that can allow you to start even with as low as 10,000 naira. Such app like Cowrywise, Rice Invest, just Bamboo that I mentioned. You can download the apps that can allow you to start investing in Treasury Bill with as low as 10,000 naira. Now, someone is asking, what are the risks? Are they risk? Well, the risk is very minimal, and the main risk is inflation. Now, if inflation rises too high before the return of your Treasury bill, your TBs may not beat it. But as a short-term capital preserving option, TB is one of the safest investments around. Now, if you are serious about growing your money without unnecessary risk, TBs are a great starting point. And if you want to understand detail, I would like you to download my free guide, The Smart Investor Blueprint, and explore other smart avenues to grow your money. The download link is on the description below. And if you have a direct question, you can join our WhatsApp channel. Link is also on the description below. If you like this video, you also like this one. 8 financial mistakes you must avoid in your 30s and 40s. Please, if you get any value from this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. And until our next video, I'll say bye.